Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca and today I have graduation DIYs to share with you guys. This has been highly requested on my channel and I'm excited to bring these to you. Hopefully, even if you're watching this at the last minute, hopefully it's something you can still use because all of these ideas were not only really cheap and affordable to make, but also super quick and easy. Okay, so for the graduation idea, I'm taking one of these cute graduation cards from Dollar Tree and carefully pulling off the decorations on it with the little cupcakes and dates on there, and then removing the stickers that are on the back. I added a little bit of hot glue and a toothpick to make these adorable cupcake toppers, and these are going to cost just over 25 cents each to make. Really cute and really affordable. Another cupcake topper idea would be to use one of these graduation headbands and just remove the little decoration pieces. So you would get two of them for $1, and I glued them onto toothpicks on the back. Again, like you can see I'm doing here, same as we did on the first one. These will give you a little bit larger size cupcake toppers, but both are a super cute and festive way to celebrate your graduate. Let me know in the comments which one you like better and if you'd be more likely to have cake or cupcakes at your event. Next, I'm using this pack of 4 wands to make some accents for my floral centerpieces. Dollar Tree does have a variety of colors and messages to choose from. I really like these signs that Dollar Tree has. This one, Reach for the Stars, is really pretty, and also this one that says The Adventure Begins. They're pretty good size and everything for $1 as well. They also have Class of 2019 in pink, silver, gold, and blue. So pretty. You could use it as is. You could remove the ribbon, cut it to the height that you want, or you could glue them back to back if you want the image and message to be showing from both sides. And for the flowers, don't forget to pick your graduates' favorite colors, school colors, or whatever fits with the colors that you're doing your graduation party in. If you're planning on serving any type of mini desserts or drinks at your party, you can decorate your disposable little single serving cups by cutting these graduation lanyards to fit around your cups and make a little wrapper. Using a little bit of hot glue to keep everything in place. I love doing things like this for buffets and dessert tables, and it's not only super easy and convenient for your guests to try and sample little different desserts like this that are just mini single serving desserts, but the lanyard wrapper just makes them extra cute. If you're serving cake pops, lollipops, or Rice Krispie Treats on a stick, anything like that, my dad and I made this graduation cap inspired holder. I will leave the tutorial video for how we made this stand up top here, as well as in the description box below if you're interested in checking that out. And Dollar Tree has the cutest graduation tassel keychain, which can be attached either with some hot glue or simply by hooking it over one of the lollipop sticks. This would make an adorable addition to your sweets table as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the little bell if you haven't already so you will be notified the next time I upload a video. So happy graduation, congratulations, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!